你好, today we're going to continue this lesson. So 今天是星期九, that's the Chinese name of this lesson. So it's about the days of the week. Now let's look at the grammar part. Okay. So since we learned the vocabulary yesterday, let's have a quick review. So remember, Monday is the first day of the week. So Monday should be 星期一, and Tuesday should be 星期二, and Wednesday 星期三, and Thursday 星期四, Friday 星期五, Saturday 星期六, Sunday should be 星期天 or 星期日. This one is special. And how to say yesterday is 昨天, and today should be 今天, and tomorrow should be 明天. Okay, and also how to say week, that should be 星期, right? So that's about the vocab. Now let's look at this sentence. Today is Tuesday. Okay, so how can we make the Chinese for this sentence? First, how to say today. We learned it in last lesson. So how to say today? It should be 今天, right? And remember, is, to be, words like will be, they are all 是, okay? And how to say Tuesday? It should be 星期二, okay? It should be 星期二. So can you make the sentence now? It should be 今天是星期二. So 今天 is today, okay? 今天是星期二. That's the sentence. Now let's look at this one. How can we make this sentence? Is it Tuesday today? So it's a question, right? And pay attention to here. So just think about this in English. When we do is it English? Is it a Tuesday today in English? The answer will be like yes, it is, or no, it is not, right? So it's yes or no question. Remember, for all of the yes or no type question, the question word we need is ma. Okay, so just put ma at the end of the statement, and then you can make the question. So 今天是星期二. So the statement is just look at this sentence without ma, it will be today is Tuesday. But when you put ma at the end, it means it's today Tuesday. Okay, so it's a yes or no question. The answer will be yes. So 是 today is Tuesday. 今天是星期二, right? Like this. So 今天是星期二吗? So ma is at the end. Okay, so how to respond to this question? If today is Tuesday, so the answer will be yes, today is Tuesday. 是今天是星期二, right? So if the answer is not, maybe it is okay, Wednesday. So it will be not, right? So it should be 不是今天是星期三 okay, 不是今天是星期三 Now practice this by yourself. Okay, 今天是星期二吗 Okay, so if the answer is yes, 是今天是星期二 Or if no, 不是今天 maybe 今天 today is Wednesday 今天是星期三 So this should be the question and answer. Okay, and now let's look at this one. So was it Monday yesterday? So first, how to say yesterday? It's 昨天, right? And how to say Monday is 星期一, okay? Just remember, so for is, was, to be, to be, will be, they are all 是, because in Chinese, there is no like past tense, future tense. All of the to be in different format, they are all 是, okay? So give you this hint. And look at this sentence. This question, definitely it's a question. What type of question is this? It's a yes or no question, right? Because the answer will be yes, it was, or no, it was not, right? So remember that just simply put ma after a statement sentence, and then you get a question. So the statement should be like yesterday was Monday, right? And then you just put ma after this sentence, and then you get the question. So think about how to do yesterday was Monday. It should be 昨天是星期一, right? And since it's a question, I'll put ma at the end. So there's a question. 昨天是星期一吗? And then you get a question. Was it Monday yesterday? So how to answer this? If yes, 是 昨天是星期一 Yes, yesterday was Monday. Or no, maybe yesterday was Sunday if we want to do this. 不是，昨天是星期日 Okay, just like this. Okay, now let's do another one. Will it be Friday tomorrow? Can you come up with this one? So look at the format of to be. This is the future tense, so they are all 是, right? And then you can do Friday, you can do tomorrow, and this is a yes or no question. Can you make the question now? So start with tomorrow, okay? 明天是星期五吗? Right? So if yes, so it will be like 明天是星期五 If not, maybe tomorrow will be Saturday. 明天是星期六 Okay, just like this. Okay, so now let's have one more practice. Is today Tuesday or not? So how to say today? It's 今天 Okay, and do you still remember the like a verb? A verb structure like 是不是 structure? Like are you American or not? Like remember this structure? So we'll use the 是不是 like is he your brother or not? 是不是 Okay? So we'll use a 是不是 structure. This may be a little bit, weird to you. Maybe you're not very familiar with structure because we don't use this in English. Because, like when you ask a question, you don't like, are you somebody or not? You always use this. But in Chinese, we use this format a lot, okay? So it's like an optional. Are you or are you not? Is it or it is not, like this, okay? So 是不是 structure is very important. So let's look at this one. Is today Tuesday or not? So 今天 and then we put the 是不是 together, okay? In this position, okay? 今天是不是星期二? Pay attention to here. When you use 是不是 structure, you don't use 吗? Okay, so you do 今天是星期二吗? Or 今天是不是星期二? Actually, the meaning of these two sentences are quite similar, just a different way to ask. Okay, just pay attention to here. When you use 吗 question, there is no 是不是 structure. When you use 是不是 structure, check the end. You don't have 吗 Okay, so that's the point. 今天是不是星期二? It's today Tuesday or not? Maybe let's do this one. Will tomorrow be Tuesday or not? So 明天是不是星期二? So you just change 今天 to tomorrow, which is 明天. Okay, 明天是不是星期二? How about yesterday? So it will be 昨天是不是星期二? Just change the day, and the others still keep the same, right? 昨天是不是星期二? 明天是不是星期二? 今天是不是星期二? Okay, so it's just for option like yes or is it or it is not, like this. Okay, now let's look at this. So today is Tuesday. 今天是星期二. We just did this sentence. Now let's make this sentence. What day is it today? So is it a yes or no question again? No, right? It's not. So it's not yes or no question. We're not using 吗 for this question. So what question word do we need? Okay, so here is about what day, right? So what day? So what which question word we should use? Do you think that's what? That's not. Remember the lesson, last lesson, when we asked about the date, the date of today. So which question we did, which is 几, right? Remember 几, because this thing is related to number. So for this question, you are asking about this number. It's the weekday 1 or weekday 2 or weekday 3, okay? In this situation, in all the situations, when you want to make a question about number, like how old are you? Which grade are you in? Today, what's the date today? Because you're asking about which month, which day, right? According to Chinese structure. And this one is about, which number of the day of the week, right? So you are going to use 几, okay? So in this situation, we use 几. So since I gave you the statement, can you just change it into the question? Do you know the rule? Remember, all of the Chinese questions still keep the statement order. So you just since you're asking about this number, you just change this thing into the question word, and then you get a sentence. So the sentence should be 今天是星期几? So 今天是星期几? That's the question to ask what day is today. And the answer will be like 今天是星期二. If you look at this two sentences, the only difference is just the number and the question word, right? You just remember the statement order, and then you can easily make the question. Okay, so that's about it. So how do we do what day was it yesterday? So you just change today into yesterday, you get a sentence, right? 昨天是星期几? How about tomorrow? It will be 明天是星期几? So that's just about this lesson. That's it. So, you know, it's just quite similar to what we did for last lesson. So still remember the format for the date, like with, you know, like number plus month and the number plus day, like maybe January the 20th, that will be 1月20号. So when you ask about the date, you will do 今天是几月几号, which month, which day. And this one is 今天是星期几. It's about the today is the weekday of which one. So now you're asking about number also, right? So we use 几. So the same the same rule, but just in different structure, right? Okay, so that's just for today, the grammar of this lesson, okay? So don't forget to check the assignment and complete it, submit it to 陆老师, okay? 再见。